Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. After a slightly darker video last time, I thought I'd do something a bit lighter. I bought a mystery box from the bug out shop. The first item is some small sharpening stones. There were two, but when I took these out of the packet, they broke. I don't actually mind that because this little one I think I'm going to use in a little EDC kit. Next, a little Mylar emergency blanket. I did check this with ChatGPT and it said that as it's got a NATO number, it's probably a little bit better than the Temu ones. So I'm going to swap this for one of the Temu ones in my hiking kit. Little metal torch. It takes 3 AAA batteries. They weren't included. Feels quite substantial. And yeah, it's fine. I do have loads and loads of torches, so I may end up donating this one, but nothing wrong with that. 15 meters of paracord. That'll be fine for guy ropes and things, practicing my knots. And I also got a little paracord bracelet. Does have a ferro rod on. And you can get a spark out of it. It's only a little one. Next is a Snood. Tactical Snood. It is a little bit tight. And I would never have thought to buy something like this. So I'm quite like this. But it's a little bit tight. And I think I can buy a merino wool version, which will be in a large size. And I think I might do that and then donate this. But in the meantime, I'm going to put this in my winter gear. Quite like that. I think one of the advantages of this sort of thing is that it makes you try things that you just wouldn't have bought otherwise. Next is the lid from a Highlander Flexi Cup. I think he might have included this accidentally packing, or maybe the cup will come next time. Little carabiner with a compass on. Yep, it more or less points north. It's about right. And it's got a little thermometer on it as well. And that's probably also about right. I think I am going to keep this and put this in my camping gear. Next is a little whistle. Very lightweight. I think I'm going to donate this to one of my refugee friends as part of a EDC. And the main item is an Anglo Arms knife. I think this is going to become my Dirty Jobs gardening knife. Quite like it. Full tang. And yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So that's the main item in the box. And it'll be interesting to see what comes next time. He did say that he makes an effort to include different things each time. So I do have a subscription. I think I'm going to keep it at least for a while longer and see what other different things come. If it starts getting a bit repetitive, then I'll probably cancel it at that point. But it's a nice bit of fun, and like I say, it makes you try a few things that you wouldn't have tried otherwise. Thank you very much for your time and attention, and I look forward to our next video.